Hey, what's up YouTube? Callie here, and I miss YouTube. I miss you guys. And for this video, I'm going to teach you how to say please repeat that, or can you say that again? And I think that's very useful if you're starting to learn the second language. I think you really have to say please repeat that, or say that again, or I'm sorry I didn't catch that. So I'll be teaching you all of those today. First one is please repeat that. In Tagalog, that is pakiulit. 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 That is please repeat that. Pakiulit. Another one is can you say that again? That's the same. Pakiulit. So pakiulit is the same as please say that again, or please repeat that. Pakiulit. Another one is I'm sorry I didn't catch that. I'm sorry I didn't catch that. In Tagalog, that is sorry hindi ko naintindihan. Sorry hindi ko naintindihan. So as you notice, I didn't change the word sorry because, as I've said in the past video, we don't translate everything literally. Like if I say sorry I didn't catch that, literally in Tagalog it will be like paumanhin hindi ko naintindihan, and that's too old-fashioned and nobody used that. So everybody say sorry hindi ko naintindihan. Okay, that's it for today, and until next time, I'll talk to you again. Bye bye.